Do I need to fit in? Do I need to be creating more English music so that, I can be getting all that airplay? I think there have definitely been some times where I've thought it might be easier. Being a bilingual artist, I sing my English tracks to some listeners, and generally the consensus will be, oh yeah, that's how I mean on this radio station, and then send my real Māori tracks over to those same people, and they'll be like, oh, that would be cool for Iwi Radio. I started writing music for my kapahaka group. I think I was probably about 12, 13 at the time, and decided to try write my first WAIATA in te reo Māori. One of the first really big things that started me off on my journey as a solo artist. I was approached by Nathaniel Howe, who was the producer of WAIATA Nation. And at the time I wasn't very confident in my ability, so I wasn't actually 100% about taking it on, but I'm glad I did. Even then, I knew that I had a good song and I knew that I liked it, but I didn't really have the confidence in being like, yeah, this is gonna be a bop, people are gonna listen to this track and it's gonna really catapult this haringa that I'm on. I don't think it was until like late last year where I had chucked out a few songs and there was a whole lot of hype around the music that I thought, oh, maybe I'm actually doing something right. Maybe the whānau are really resonating with this music. Or maybe I should keep doing what I'm doing. I love creating Wairoa Māori. Like there's nothing like it. The things that our language can do, the different things that we pull on when we're writing in our language, from our kōrero tuku iho, our connection to environment, our connection to the taiao, and even the way that we can incorporate songs and kōrero of old and bring it into the now. I think there have definitely been some times where I've thought it might be easier to go down the English route, but I think I'm keen on a challenge. I feel like the music that I want to be creating, I'm creating for our younger generation so that it's easier for them to create Māori music that becomes, the mainstream. It's something that is bigger than me. Tēnā tātou te whānau, ko mohi tōku ingoa, heuri tēnei no te taitokerau whānui, no Ngāi te Rangi, no Ngāti Kahungunu ki te Wairoa, tupu ake tēnei maramara, ki te uru o tāmaki, te roanga o tōku ao, hoi anō, koina tāku, heuri no ngā wahi putanoi I tēnei motu o tātou o Aotearoa. Mōri ora. Me pēhea rā.